Good morning from Ecuador.
Our trip to Ecuador is about to end tomorrow, and today we are on our way to Cotopaxi volcano. Now we're gonna stop to make a drone shot. This nice place. Cotopaxi volcano is one of the 105 volcanoes in Ecuador.
There's a lot of volcanoes. That's why on the flag of the country there a volcano on the flag. Now I start to see why.
In Quito, almost everywhere we've been in Ecuador, if you look at the UV index, it's always extreme.
Yeah.
Because
So,
it's much higher and
put your sunscreen.
Now we are entering Cotopaxi National Park. So from this top you can see one more volcano here, two there. I think that's one more here. And you can see the giant Cotopaxi and my wife. And this is Carlos, our driver.
Yeah, I already feel the high altitude here. Out of breath very easily. A little bit lightheaded. We're gonna stop at a stop before that to take some Coca tea. The driver told us to help with the high altitude adjustment.
Still on the road to the top, and here you can see the dark colored ground there. It's from lava flow. There's a couple little cracks in there, like mini crater. And on top of the volcano you can see a bit of smoke. There's a little white cloud there. So it's really interesting. Our guide explained us everything.
We're almost there at the volcano, and we have to stop here, one last stop before we go there, to take the Coca tea, something to help to adjust with the high altitude here. So I'm kind of excited to see what it is, the Coca tea that the driver mentioned. And so yeah, I'm standing in right behind me is the Cotopaxi volcano, and this is the stop. We're stopping. The cafeteria, snack bar with the té de coca. Okay, let's go inside.
This is the Chimborazo. The river is the Rio Guayas for arribar del the coast, el Océano Pacífico.
Okay.
This is the coast. Yellow, blue, and red color.
Is
This
that
the-
Cotopaxi?
No,
Chimborazo.
Chimborazo.
Bigger one.
Ah,
There is more high winds. This is the color is the golden in Ecuador around the golden the production the beans trigo the production.
oh, I thought
Very
it's
good.
the blue here. Sometimes I see
The blue is
blue.
the sky blue.
Yeah.
See the sky blue.
I think it's the dark.
This is look like black,
Yes.
dark blue.
And
Yeah.
this is the red color is the problem, the armies and the problem. This is they kill the people for the blood.
Okay, the blood.
The killer, the blood. Okay.
The blood.
And how about the yellow?
The yellow is the golden.
Gold.
Gold.
The around Ecuador, and the production, the farm, the agriculture. This is the trigo beans. Beans or the rice. That is the production. This the representation, the color.
The beans.
Beans, gold, the sky, and the blood. The volcano, the Rio to the Pacific Ocean, the river.
The river to the Pacific Ocean. And the condor.
The kind of bird.
The kind of bird.
Symbol de libertad. This is the symbol de libertad. This is the condor. This condor is big, yeah? It's 1 meter 20 centimeters.
Oh, this is wow. You've seen one?
Yes,
Oh.
but it's different. In the sky blue, it's possible to see the fly in the sky, the mola.
Around here?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
We may see one.
Yeah. And you prefer drinking Coca tea? Coca tea?
Oh.
Yeah.
Coca tea?
Yeah.
Dos tés de coca.
And then you can have the leaf to chew, huh?
Yes, coca leaf.
To eat.
Yeah, it's possible after the drinking.
Maybe I chew.
Tú, o prefieren.
Okay.
Puedo coger una hoja de coca para ver.
Ah.
Coca, leaf.
This is
Another is
coca leaf.
coca candy. But it's from Peru, yeah, not Ecuadorian.
Okay. This is coca candy. Okay.
That's for tea.
This is the coca leaf that we're gonna drink, so we can adjust to the high altitude. It tastes and smells really good.
So coca tea don't get you high, but you need coca to go high.
This is Cotopaxi in the front here. Wow. Cotopaxi about 5,000.
5,819 centimeters above sea level.
Okay.
Just a tiny bit shorter.
Beautiful. I'm in front of the volcano, and I can see a lot of rocks here from the volcano. Yeah, the view is magnificent. The volcano looks really big.
Taking the official picture of touching the summit. Oh, it's windy here.
Bicycle here is not very easy.
This guy on his shape.
I am at 4,000 high altitude, the highest point that we will stop today. Behind me is the Cotopaxi volcano. This is the closest I can go. And yeah, around here it's very windy and cold here because it's very high in the mountain. all these mountains in the front. These two, I think these are the volcanoes too. Yeah, these grass, the colors very beautiful. The sun and the yellowish colors.
Since we're on high altitude, would you like one of these overpriced Coca candy to help you deal with the altitude?
Sure, but actually the drink really helps. I already feel better after I drink the Coca too.
So I don't feel much, but
Yeah.
hey, we're here. So
This is the candy.
it's dry or overpriced candy. There's only 4 for $6. Oh, I don't think the drone can survive that.
Very windy.